Welcome to the Nevin and Associates YouTube channel. Stay tuned for some awesome content, and make sure you like, subscribe, and, of course, share this video with everyone you know. Let's dive in.
The factory floor is buzzing with activity. Boxes are flying by on the conveyor belts, moving at a rapid pace. Suddenly, everything comes to a halt. Silence fills the air. A dreaded die cutter is down, causing a major disruption. Amazon orders are piling up, creating a backlog. The pressure is mounting. This is where you come in, ready to tackle the challenge head-on. You're a maintenance technician, a superhero in steel-toed boots, always prepared for the unexpected. You diagnose the problem in a flash. Is it the hydraulics, electrical? You've seen it all and know exactly what to do. With grease on your hands and a wrench in your grip, you bring the beast back to life, restoring order. The conveyor belts start rolling again. Boxes are moving once more. You saved the day, ensuring the workflow continues. No cape required, just your skills, expertise, and know-how. That's the life of a maintenance technician in the corrugated box industry. It's a role that demands precision and dedication. It's fast-paced, challenging, and crucial to keeping the world running smoothly. You see, without these boxes, products don't get shipped. Shelves go empty. Online orders never arrive, causing chaos. It's not glamorous, but it's essential work that keeps everything moving. And right now, the industry needs more heroes like you, ready to step up and make a difference. We live in an age of instant gratification. Click, buy, deliver. It's a seamless process that has become second nature to us. We expect our stuff, and we expect it fast. The convenience is unparalleled, but it comes with its own set of challenges. What we don't see are the millions of corrugated boxes that make this modern miracle possible. These boxes are the unsung heroes of the e-commerce world. Behind every online order, there's a cardboard box, and behind every box, there's a team of skilled technicians keeping the machines humming. Their expertise ensures that each box is crafted to perfection. The e-commerce boom has put a massive strain on the corrugated industry. The demand for boxes has skyrocketed, pushing the industry to its limits. More boxes than ever are needed to keep up with demand. This surge requires not just more materials, but also more manpower and machinery. That means more machines, more production lines, and more importantly, more people to keep everything running smoothly. The backbone of this operation is the maintenance team. That's where you come in. Your role is crucial in maintaining the flow of production. As a maintenance technician, you're not just fixing machines. You're ensuring that the wheels of commerce keep turning. Your skills and dedication are what keep the system intact. You're the invisible force behind every package delivered, every product shipped, and every online order fulfilled. Your work is the foundation of the e-commerce experience. It's a big responsibility, but someone's got to do it, and you do it with excellence, ensuring that the e-commerce engine never stops. Here's the catch. There aren't enough of you to go around. The skilled trades are facing a major crisis. A shortage of qualified technicians. Experienced workers are retiring, and there aren't enough young people entering the field to replace them. This is especially true in the corrugated industry, where the work is demanding and the skills are specialized. Companies are struggling to find qualified technicians to keep their plants running. They're offering higher salaries, signing bonuses, and better benefits. But it's still not enough. The shortage is real, and it's impacting the entire industry. This isn't just a problem for the industry, it's a problem for all of us. The technician shortage threatens to slow down the e-commerce engine that we've all come to rely on. Without skilled technicians, the machines will grind to a halt, and the boxes will stop coming. The cardboard conundrum: why demand keeps growing? Think the e-commerce boom is slowing down? Think again. The rise of online shopping has created an insatiable demand for cardboard boxes. Online shopping is more popular than ever, and that means one thing: more cardboard boxes. Every click, every order translates into more packaging needs. It's a simple equation: more online orders equal more boxes, which equals more work for corrugated plants and the technicians who keep them running. The cycle is continuous and ever-growing. But it's not just about e-commerce. The demand for cardboard extends far beyond online shopping. Corrugated cardboard is everywhere. From the grocery store to the furniture store, it's the unsung hero of the packaging world. It's used in countless industries for its reliability and versatility. It's strong, lightweight, recyclable, and surprisingly versatile. These qualities make it indispensable in modern logistics and packaging. As long as we keep buying stuff, we're going to need boxes, and that means we're going to need skilled technicians to make them. The industry relies heavily on these skilled workers. The demand for corrugated cardboard isn't going away anytime soon. The growth trajectory is clear and undeniable. As the global population grows and consumer demand rises, the pressure on the corrugated industry will continue to mount. This is a trend that shows no signs of slowing down. This presents a unique opportunity for anyone looking to enter a stable, in-demand field. The future of the corrugated industry is bright and full of potential. The rise of the machines and the people who run them. Like every industry, the corrugated world is changing. Automation is on the rise, with robots and high-tech machines becoming increasingly common on the factory floor. This might sound intimidating, but it's actually good news for skilled technicians. These new machines require skilled operators and maintenance professionals. Forget the image of a greasy wrench turner. Today's technicians need to be tech-savvy problem solvers who can troubleshoot complex systems, program PLCs, and work alongside robots. The future of the corrugated industry is high-tech, and that means the jobs are changing. But one thing remains constant: the need for skilled technicians who can keep the machines running and the boxes flowing. Show me the money and the job security. Let's talk about what really matters: your paycheck. Here's the good news: the technician shortage has created a candidates market. Companies are desperate for skilled workers, and they're willing to pay top dollar to get them. Salaries for maintenance technicians are on the rise, with experienced professionals commanding impressive wages and benefits packages. But it's not just about the money. A career as a maintenance technician offers something even more valuable: job security. The demand for skilled tradespeople is only going to increase in the years to come, meaning you'll be in high demand for the foreseeable future. This isn't just a job, it's a career with long-term earning potential and the satisfaction of knowing you're an essential part of a vital industry. Answer the call. The future of corrugated awaits. The corrugated industry is calling for heroes. With a projected need for 10,000 more technicians by 2030, the opportunity is ripe for the taking. If you're looking for a stable, rewarding career with high earning potential, look no further than the world of corrugated. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Dust off your resume, highlight your skills, and get ready to join the ranks of the corrugated superheroes. The future of the industry and your future depends on it. The boxes aren't going to move themselves, the machines need you. Are you ready to answer the call? At Nevin and Associates, we have a dedicated team of recruiters who have many openings for corrugated box manufacturing technicians. If you are an experienced maintenance technician in the United States and are looking for work, please send a LinkedIn message to Bob Nevin with Nevin and Associates, LLC.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe and turn notifications on, and share with everyone you know. Also leave a comment down below. Say hi or ask a question. Again, thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Cheers!